Everyone is selling you a bigger AI stack. More tools. More subscriptions. More complexity. The message from most AI content creators is that you need to be using 15 different platforms to stay competitive. You do not. After testing hundreds of AI tools over the past 2 years, I have identified the exact minimum set of tools that covers every core function of running a solo business. Not the most impressive stack. Not the most comprehensive. The most useful. The tools that actually move the needle versus the tools that just feel productive while you set them up. Today I am sharing that exact stack. 5 tools. 5 functions. Everything a solopreneur actually needs. Welcome to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day with fresh AI strategies. Subscribe now and hit the bell so you never miss tomorrow's video. Why most solopreneurs over-tool before the stack, the problem it solves. Most solopreneurs fall into what I call tool accumulation syndrome. Every new AI tool that launches gets added to the stack. Each one solves one specific problem slightly better than the previous solution. The stack grows. The monthly subscriptions grow. The time spent learning and switching between tools grows. And yet results do not grow proportionally. Because the limiting factor in a solo business is almost never the tools. It is the clarity of thinking, the consistency of execution, and the quality of the human decisions behind the tools. The right AI stack removes friction from execution. The wrong AI stack adds complexity that creates its own friction. Most solopreneurs are using the wrong stack without realizing it. Tool 1, Claude for thinking and writing. Every solo business runs on communication and thinking. Client proposals. Email responses. Content creation. Strategic decisions. Research synthesis. Planning documents. Claude handles all of it. Not because Claude is the only capable AI writing tool. Because having one primary thinking and writing tool, and getting deeply skilled at using it, produces better results than spreading your prompting across 3 different tools and never getting excellent at any of them. The specific Claude habits that matter most for solopreneurs are building a personal prompt library for your most common tasks, creating a business context document that you paste into every session so Claude always understands your business, and using Claude for strategic thinking, not just production tasks. Claude should be open every single working day. It is the tool you reach for first for almost any task that involves words or decisions. Tool 2, Notion for memory and organization. Our solo business has no team to hold its memory. No colleagues who remember what was decided in last month's strategy meeting. No systems manager maintaining the operational documentation. You are the memory. And human memory is unreliable, inconsistent, and cannot scale. Notion is where your business memory lives. Your client information. Your project statuses. Your content library. Your standard operating procedures. Your product descriptions. Your pricing. Your goals and progress tracking. The specific Notion setup that works best for solopreneurs has 4 core databases. A client database. A project database. A content library. And a business brain document, the master context file about your business that feeds into every Claude session. Notion is not exciting. It is essential. The difference between a solopreneur who can scale and one who hits a ceiling is almost always whether their business knowledge lives in their head or in a system. Tool 3, Canva for visual output. Every solo business needs visual output. Social media graphics. Presentation slides. Proposal covers. LED magnet designs. Thumbnails. Email headers. Canva solves this completely for 95% of solo business visual needs. The habits that matter most are building a brand kit with your exact colors and fonts so every design is instantly consistent, and creating master templates for your most common formats so new pieces take minutes not hours. Canva combined with Claude. Claude writes the words, Canva designs the visuals, covers every content production need a solopreneur has. Tool 4, Buffer for distribution. Creating content is only half the equation. Distributing it consistently is the other half. Buffer lets you schedule content across multiple platforms in advance so your social media runs automatically without daily manual posting. The workflow that works best is batching once per week in a single 30-minute session. Claude writes all your captions for the week. You paste them into Buffer with relevant Canva images. Buffer publishes everything automatically at the optimal time. Your social presence runs 7 days a week. Your active management time is 30 minutes every Monday. Tool 5, Perplexity for research. Every solo business needs current information. Industry trends. Competitor analysis. Client research. Market data. News relevant to your niche. Perplexity AI searches the web in real time and delivers synthesized answers with sources cited, dramatically faster than manual searching and significantly more reliable than asking Claude for information that may have changed since its training. The specific Perplexity habit that matters most is using it as the first tool for any research task before bringing findings into Claude for analysis and strategic thinking. Perplexity gathers. Claude analyses. The combination produces research quality that would previously have required hours of manual work. The complete solopreneur stack: Claude, thinking, writing, strategy, and decision support. Notion, business memory, organization, and knowledge management. Canva, visual content production across every format. Buffer, content distribution and social media automation. Perplexity, real-time research and current information. Every core function of a solo business covered. All 5 tools either free or low cost to start. No unnecessary complexity. No tool accumulation syndrome. The goal is not to have the most impressive AI stack. The goal is to spend as little time as possible on the tools and as much time as possible on the work that actually grows your business. 5 tools. Everything you need. Nothing you do not. Which of these 5 tools are you not currently using that you think would help your business most? Drop it in the comments. I personally reply to every comment. If this helped you simplify your AI stack, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day. See you tomorrow.